There is a slok in Bhagavad Gita I would like to repeat. Swadharmam nidhanam sheya paradharmo bhayavaya. Every youth should find out what is his line of interest. Anything which you don't enjoy, don't do it. Puja, if you don't enjoy, never do it. Never do it. Well, do the only thing which you enjoy. Any subject study, if you don't like, change your subject. If you don't like your marriage relationship, make divorce. Change wife, change husband. Torture whole life. It is better to torture in the court for 6 months, 4 months. No? Anything which you don't enjoy, you are punishing yourself. And if you are unhappy, you will make this world unhappy. If you are happy, then only you can give happiness to others. The parents, sometimes they are miserable, their relationship is not good, and they have so many other problems. So when they are angry, what they do? They beat the child. Child is innocent, no? He can't resist. No? A joke. I tell you a joke. A father was angry because he had fight with a wife. A husband, wife have only one job. Either love making or fighting. A mother-in-law came in a house. She saw that many utensils were broken, glass were broken, cup were broken. She asked the daughter-in-law, "What's the matter? Why everything is broken?" So the daughter-in-law said that, "Sorry, Mom, we had a great fight. So everything is broken." She entered into the bedroom, and then she saw that even the palang, what do you call it in English? Bed was also broken, no? So he asked how this bed was broken, no? Then said, after 3-day fight, last night we had compromised. We had. So husband and wife have only two seasons. So for youth, you should, first thing, I want a great revolution in our education system. Our education system is very corrupt, and it makes people corrupt. When people come out of the university, they have a certificate to loot the society, do all type of corruption. If you look into the society, who is doing the maximum corruption? All the educated people. Because they are not taught compassion, they are not taught sympathy. They are never given education about the human value as love. No? They are made a clever dacoits. So with a university degree, you can come and you can loot the way you want. No? So this education system should be totally revised. No? And it is very time-taking, and people are taught unnecessary things. Even today, people have to memorize things and go into exam hall, and then they have to do vomit in the exam paper, for 3 hours. No? This is torture. This system should totally be revised. Now, education should be intelligence-based, not information-based. So far, our education system has been information-based. You have to keep so many things in your mind, and not for whole life, just for 3 hours. You write down, then you are free. You can forget, no? That's why either you have to take cheat, or you have to just memorize, घोट के जैसे भी 3 घन्टामा त्यो vomit गरेर आउनु छ. This education system is thoroughly, because it is destroying the young's genius and their joy. And school, I am very much against homework. They call it homework. It is not homework. Homework is cleaning home, washing dish. They give school work and then name homework. They should change the name. Homework is how to live in home. How to grow garden. So there should be no homework in school. I am very much against it. School time, school work, home, enjoyment, making home a living place, gardening, cleaning, cooking. Nowadays, even graduates from the universities, girls, they don't know how to make tea. If she has been educated in the convent, convent, I'll tell you a joke, Convent educated girl, why they don't say Papa or Bua or Pitaji, they say Daddy. Why? Have you marked? No? Because convent educated girl, when they say Papa or Bua or Pitaji, the होठ टकराते हैं और लिपस्टिक बिगड़ जाता है. So this education system is a torture on youth. They should make revolution and change the education system. Learning should be an enjoyable thing. When you learn something, you should enjoy from the first day. हामीका के छ पहिला त पिटाइ हुन्थ्यो हैन आजकल कम भएको छ हामीहरु त धेरै पिटाइ खाएर पढ्या अहिले पनि गाउँको स्कुलहरुमा हुन्छ then the fear of exam so fear oriented education system it should be pleasure oriented education learning should be a pleasurable experience पढ्नु भनेको आनन्द आउने कुरा हुनु पर्यो त्यही सब्जेक्ट पढ्नु पर्यो जसमा आनन्द आउँछ र every college, university education should finish. I am telling you this, it is my own. By 20 years, education should finish because that is the most active time. Physical, sexual, emotional. 20 वर्ष पछि education समाप्त हुनु पर्छ. Except for we are doing some research, PhD, delete. They are a small number of people. But general people, 20 years, as people retire in 58, we should retire from university at 20. Then we should enjoy life, we should create, because that is the most creative age. 20 to 40 is most creative age. Nowadays, if you do PhD or MD in medicine, it goes up to 30 years. Half of your life is finished in university. But 20 years, people should become in the life and they should enjoy life and they should be creative. So that is my message to the youth. We should revolt against it. We should talk about it. Nobody is talking. We are just copying the Western education system. पृथ्वीदेखि सूर्यको दूरी कति छ सूर्यको diameter कति अरे all these things is in your mobile phone. Tick, tick, tick. Everything is there, no? Why you are tossing people's mind? You have to remember. भूगोलमा हामीलाई याद गर्नु पर्थ्यो. What is the diameter of Earth? And what is the distance between Earth and Sun? They are stupid things. No, those things are keeping in. So information-based education system should be totally revised, and it should be made intelligence-based. No, now many scholars in the West have started saying that universities are killing intelligence. And intelligent people, all children are born intelligent. And when they come out of the university, 90% of them become stupid. And they rule the society, they become the leader in the society. That's why we have a stupid world. There are no intelligent people to run this world. No? So intelligence-based education, and intelligent people should be the decision makers. Then we will have a wonderful world to live in.